Hello, welcome back once again. I'm happy to have you here once again. And we are going to continue using our pen tool to draw and then know how to work with it perfectly. So I'm going to add a new page and then I'll make sure I'm right here to have an equal page. So have it here and I'll drag this image right in here. Alright, so now I'd like to draw just the face of this using the pen tool. So the first thing I'll do is to lock it. So right click and lock the object so that you'll be able to do your thing freely without it interfering in your work. Alright, so I'm just using the mouse and I'm using the scroll wheel. Alright, but when you're not using mouse, just come here to the zoom. You can press Z to get it activated, then just drag around the object and then you have it done perfectly like that. Okay, so now I'm going to start drawing. So I'll click on my pen tool and then just start drawing. So this is it. I'll come right here first, click once, and then come here, click once again. Alright, so when I come here, you see that it is a curve. So I'll click and just drag a bit, just a bit. Alright, now I'll go straight again because it is a straight line. So I can just hold my shift key down to have it perfectly done, then I'll click once. Then when I come here, I'll click and drag because it is curved. Alright, then when I come here to hold the shift down and then click, then this side just click and drag, then the shift again, click, this side click and drag. Sorry. Alright, so now I have it done perfectly this way. Okay, so I'm just going to copy and paste the same thing. So copy, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Alright, so I have it, so I'll just drag it around to have it done this way. So if it is not perfect, I can just use the other sides here. So I have something like this. Alright, so now that I have this done this way, I can decide maybe just to increase the outline instead of doing it this way. So this is set right here, and then the inner should be white, right? The outer should be this blue color. But then in this case, I don't like to show it, so I'll leave it for now and then just draw this one. Take the ellipse again and then just draw it because we wouldn't like to waste time using the pen tool again. So that is white color, right? Alright, so we've colored it as white for now. And then this is just more or less like a logo. Alright, we can use the rectangle and then just shape it to have something like this. But in this case, we are practicing how to use the pen tool. So we'll take the pen tool and then just work with it again. Click, drag, come right here. Just cut a range and then drag. Okay, and when you realize that it is not moving well, just undo, Ctrl Z, then click drag smoothly. Alright, so me, for my basic skills that I've learned before mastering the curve tool, I'll show you just after doing this. Alright, now let's move. Then sometimes you're going to cut it, hold the alt cut, then you can continue your work. So this is the end point right here. You can zoom and then just cut this, drag a bit, then you continue again. Alright, so it is just a matter of tracing. Alright, so we are moving. We are almost done. So click, come right click and then just bring it inside. Now you have this done perfectly. All right, so click and then click on the pen tool again. Now we have something like this, so I'll just click, then come right here, click again. Here should be curved. Now I have it curved, and then it should just be something like this, and then here also. So I have it done this way. It is not perfect, but I'll use the shape tool to just use it there, and I have it done that way. So I can color this as the orange, the outline should be white, and then this should also be something like green. Okay, so I can remove the outline. Now I have it done just like that. All right, so now let's come back right here, and then I can just increase the width. Okay, very big, can be very big to cover up something too much. So something like this, and this should be this color. Yeah, something like that. Now I can right click, unlock, and then just delete this. So with us using the pen tool, we are able to get something just like this. All right, so the pen tool is very nice to use in anything. And when you want to see that everything of yours is very smooth, you just have to click on it, come to the shape again, right L, just click, and then go to the smooth. Then you can decrease it, the size here. So maybe let me write 0.5 there, enter, and it to be a bit small. Then I can just drag around it, and then you see that it is now smooth, very smooth, very smooth. Right, so that is basically about it. In the next lecture we'll still continue using the pen tool.